So for today, you're going to be working on your life skills reader, which is your hardware stores, page 34 and 39. So let's go ahead and go to our worksheet. This is what our worksheet's going to look like right here. So you are going to read the story. A hardware store sells many items to use in and around your house. Light bulbs come in many different sizes and wattages. Make sure you know what kind of light bulbs you need before you purchase them. Tools are helpful when making or repairing things around your home. Tools are helpful when making or repairing things around your home. Power tools make jobs easier, but can be dangerous if they're not used properly. Items in the lawn and garden section change by season. For example, there are rakes and lawnmowers in the summer and snow blowers and shovels in the winter. Paint comes in many different colors. If you cannot find the right color, a store clerk can mix the exact color for you. Many kitchen items can also be found at a hardware store. Small appliances like electric openers and toaster ovens allow you to quickly prepare food. Whether you're building, fixing, or looking for something new to use in your house, you should be able to find it at a hardware store. Now, after we've read this story, you can reread it again or have someone help you. You are going to answer these questions. You have 5 questions. So you have a hardware store sells A, many items to eat, B, many items to wear, or C, many items to use in a home. Answer the question. Number 2. Some items found in a hardware store are A, dairy products, meat and produce, B, tools, rakes and paint, C, clothes, shoes, and coats. Answer the question. Number 3. Directions. Write the word to complete the sentence. Small appliances can be found in a blank store. Answer the question. We have our challenge questions. Make a list of 3 items you can buy in a hardware store. So now you tell me 3 things that you can buy in a hardware store. It could be power tools. It can be a rake, a shovel. Go ahead and write those down. And then you have number 5. Write 1 reason why you would go to a hardware store. Why would you go to a hardware store? What can you buy there? Answer the question. Once you are done, and if you have any questions, feel free to message your teacher and she will be more than happy to help.